Hello, in the next episode of Improving My Channel, what I wanted to show you is my screen. This one is Spotify. It's my current thing that I used to play the music in the stream and to display current music on the overlay. But I did it. I made a fucking code and function. Okay, I'm going to close this. And I made a proof of concept how it's going to work, and actually it's working. Here's the HTML. It's just basic, just to select environment file, then to load playlist items and some kind of logs, what's happening, and list to just display the elements from the playlist. So it's very simple HTML. But here the magic happens. Here is waiting for the environment file, and it's fucking mandatory because I want to show the code. I want to easily migrate it. In the future, I want to integrate Twitch chat on my own local file, my PC. So each environment, API key, etc., must be in the different file that I'm just not going to open on the stream. So here's just simple input with event listener change. When the state is changed, it loads the file. The file is loaded, we just run application. We load what must be loaded from the environment. And then we have OBS WebSocket, we have songs list and songs by ID. I really like the maps. Really, I can find some way and I can find a way for me that suits me most to group elements by just some fucking key. I really love maps, but I will tell you later why I created the list and the map. So here I just add event listener click to the playlist fetch, to the button that loads the playlist data, and we go to the function, to the callback playlist, get playlist. Here we load just the data. Here I could move it below, but it's from the beginning I started doing it. And here's the list inside the HTML that I'm putting every element from the playlist. Here, after getting the response as a JSON, I iterate through all the music. I just get the video ID. This video ID is pretty important thing, because with this sheet I am able to create the link. Where's the link? Fuck, where's the link? Oh, it's here. I create a link to the YouTube video. So this sheet is important. And then I just group the song. I group it by ID and I just push it to the array. And that's all from the playlist data. Then I need additional data, and mainly I want the fucking duration of the song. I don't know if I will use it. If I will not figure out to do the timer, I will just skip it. but I would like to get the timer and somehow connect to sources on the OBS to talk with each other. and but it's not for no. And here I load more details from the video. Here I use the video link from the API, and from the list of the songs I just map it and just take the video ID. I wait for the response, and here a little magic happens, but not so much. I just update the song, I update the data I need, the thumbnail, the link, the title, the channel title, the duration, and I use for it, of course, the map. This is why I love fucking map. I just get from the data ID. I don't have to iterate through whole song array to find that song with this ID. It just mapped grouped in the dictionary. Okay, so here's the little magic. Then I create the list item to put into the page, so I can actually click the music. And here's the callback for it. And here's the callback for it. And I will go there at the end. So this one still happens in the run function. I just open the connection. This one simply return promise, one success, error. Then I listen to the event connection opened. I don't need to do it because it currently executes twice, once here and second one here. And connection close. For now I don't have a button to terminate the connection. And connection error. This one is pretty often used, but the error I got says nothing about it in most cases. And here's the fucking magic happens. Because this shit, OBS WebSocket, is from the OBS official WebSocket.js that allow you to connect two OBS plugins, OBS browser and OBS WebSocket. These two plugins are the main thing that my solution work. Why? Because this shit WebSocket, OBS WebSocket, connects to the WebSocket that is served through OBS Studio. And via it, I can connect to the fucking OBS WebSocket. And what I'm doing, on the click, I change the URL of the source element in the overlay. So it looks like this. Okay, I will change it. It's not going to be link. It can be song. Okay, for now it's going to be link. And what am I doing? I just put into the log. Okay, I forgot to change it here. So I will do it. I will do it now. Do it. Just do it. Copy. And describe to you. And then right back. Okay, I'm back.
Bijemy 19:30?
And here's the magic, just a little of magic. We call the OBS WebSocket via events, and the event is set input settings. Here's the input name. The input name is what you define in the sources box inside the OBS Studio, so it must be just the same fucking name, really. So it's very cool, but you can do a typo. And if you change the name in the OBS Studio, you also have to update it here. So here is the scene, and here is the input setting. What I'm going to change. So I'm going to change the URL. And it's the link to the YouTube video. Of course, then it returns me a promise. I will a little bit format it. Okay. And then it's simply promise, on error, on success. But here I'm going to change it. Playing link. Just simply append log. Link. And the link. Yeah, we changed to the title. I would just put whole. Okay, I will change it. Fuck it. It's just a little of work, so we're going to take the whole song here, not the link. So song that. Okay, no. I will do like it should be const link. Song link. Const title. Song title. Okay. Like this. Okay, so this one can go directly here. Cool. One. Too much. Okay. And mainly that's all from the code. So I'm going to show you a demo, but for this purpose I'm going to stop the Spotify. We are going to the scene test YouTube music. I have to change the interaction mode. Okay, not this one. And I'm going to show you how it works. So I always have my layout in the interaction mode, just to click the button to show you starting sound, to show you the back, etc. So first of all, I'm going to select the environment file, like I told. Connected. It's doubled because one is actually from the connection and this one is from the subscription to the connect event. Then I click download playlist items. It's loaded. It's my playlist. And here is mandatory part because I'm connecting to the YouTube data API via API, not via OAuth, because OAuth requires from you web server. And I don't want to set the web server. I just don't want. I have to install, I don't know, Node.js, Node, Python, fucking do the simple Spring application, and I just don't want to do it. So now I should be able to click on music and actually play it. So what am I going to play? Here's the video I actually play, the music on the ever opening I play. What the fuck should I play? Okay, let it be this. And you should hear the music. I'm going to mute the microphone and probably also see the YouTube. So I'm going to check on my laptop if really if I set properly the OBS. Also, I muted the music a little bit. Okay, I'm going to check the live on my laptop if it actually works. Okay, my mouse is run out of battery. I have to use touch pad. I don't like it. Okay, be right back. I'm just not going to speak. And as you can see here, it works. On the YouTube, you're not going to hear it because the music goes to the different, let's say, path. And this path goes to the live, and there's a different path that goes to the VOD, and different path that goes to the file I record. So I'm going to play one more shit from some time. Since some time I'm fan of this song. And that's all for this episode. Bye.